Hey guys, Adam here from Dents-B-Gone. In this video I wanted to go over insurance. We actually get asked quite a bit whether we do insurance work, so I thought I'd cover that in this video, as well as give you a quick tip for something to watch out for when choosing an insurance policy. So we get asked quite a lot whether we actually do insurance work, and the short answer to that is yes, we do. We're happy to work with any insurance company and get the job done as quick as possible for you, so you get back in your car and back on the road as quick as possible. So a lot of the time with our repair costs for small damage, a lot of the time that's not going to actually be as high as your excess. So for small shopping trolley dings and car park dents, most of the time that sort of damage isn't going to be worth lodging a claim for. So because the repair cost is probably going to be under your excess. So in the event that you do have larger damage and you need to lodge a claim, pretty much all you do is ring up your insurance company, lodge the claim with them. They'll give you a claim number and just let them know that you'd like to try and have the dent repaired via PDR if that's what you'd like to do. So once you've got the claim number, you can come and see us or give us a call. Let us know what the claim number is and we can organise a time to do a quote on the vehicle, and we'll put that claim number on the quote, send it off to the insurance company, and then from there, once we get approval to go ahead with the repair, we'll give you a call, book the job in, and you'll be back on the road as quick as possible. So the only time we come unstuck is where, and this is where my tip comes in, when the customer doesn't actually have choice of repairer on their policy. Just check that you get the choice of repairer, because a lot of insurance companies and a lot of policies out there that don't actually give you the choice of repairer. So that's something to be mindful of, because at the end of the day it's your car and you want to be able to choose where that car is going to be repaired. So that's the main thing. So hopefully this has answered the question on whether we do insurance work, and just keep in mind that tip about not having the choice of repairer on your policy. Check that over on your current policy and just keep an eye out for that, when you're shopping around for insurance. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully we see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.